guys, welcome back to RGTV. Today we're going to do a very simple and easy banana bread recipe. And we're going to start out with 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of butter. And that's softened. We're just going to cream these together. And I'll bring you back once that's done. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And also a teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and then we're going to add 2 eggs. Just be careful not to get eggshell into your banana bread. I'm going to combine this together, and then once you've combined it, it should be light and fluffy. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of banana, and I'm just going to throw that in my bowl. They've been frozen. We're also going to add half a cup of sour cream. Now we're just going to mix this and combine it well. Okay guys, in a larger bowl we're going to combine 1 3/4 cup flour, all-purpose, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. We're going to combine that together with a whisk, and then we're going to mix in our eggs, sugar, and our banana mixture. We're just going to combine these together. Now we are going to add walnuts to this today as well, and we'll add those after we combine this. We're going to also go ahead and get our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to grease 2 loaf pans. Okay, and then when this is just about combined, we're going to add in our walnuts. And I have approximately half a cup of walnuts here. Let me show you. And I've added just a little bit of flour into a Ziploc bag just to dust those so that they do not all fall to the bottom of our bread. We want that kind of scattered throughout. And we're going to go ahead and open those up. And we're just going to throw them in. Gonna mix that up, and we're gonna get our pans. And I just have mine lined with foil. And we're gonna divide this between the 2. Try not to make a mess. Okay, I'm gonna get this finished up, and I'll meet you back at the oven at 350 degrees. Okay guys, so this baked at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes until a toothpick in the center came out clean. It is definitely one of the best banana bread recipes that I have ever tried, and this is definitely one that I continue to make. Give it a try. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know that you guys were here. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.